Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for subscribing, for coming back. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can be updated when I post a new video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be the get to know me tag, and I am going to answer 20 questions about myself so you guys could get to know me a little bit more. I have the questions here on my phone, so let's get started. The first question is, what is your full name? My full name is Tracy Marie Bailey. That's my full name. That's my government name. The name Mama gave me. How old are you? I am 31 years old. What is your zodiac sign? I'm a Taurus. Stubborn Taurus. I know. Yeah, I'm a Taurus. What is your height? I am 5'2". Where are you from and where do you live? I am from Michigan and I live in Michigan. Where did you go to college? I went to college at Oakland University. Shout out OU Grizzlies. What do you want to do with your life? Honestly, what do I want to do with my life? I don't even know what I want to do with my life at 31. I want to be happy. Yeah, I want to be an entrepreneur. You know, I'm trying to work on my own business, you know, be about that life, be happy. That's what I want to do with my life. I want to have a happy life. What is your favorite thing about where you live? My favorite thing about where I live, let me really think about that. Okay, so I'm from Detroit, Michigan. So my favorite thing about where I live is, point blank period, is Detroit. I mean, what up though? It's Detroit. Like, what? Need I say more? It's Detroit. It's the favorite thing about it. Let's see. What is your biggest fear? My biggest fear. Well, this is a good question because I don't even know. Like, I gotta really think about that one. I'm sorry I keep turning this chair. Oh, by the way, if you guys like this makeup look, go ahead and hit description. Just in the description box, there will be a link to this video and right here as well. But my biggest fear probably is not accomplishing everything that I want to accomplish, you know, before I'm out of here. What is your favorite Starbucks drink? My favorite Starbucks drink is an iced caramel macchiato with whipped cream. What is your favorite food? You know what? I don't really have a favorite food. Like, if I think about something I could just eat all day, you know what? I take that back. If I could eat something all day, or it'll be Mexican food. Anything Mexican food, boom, I like it. Are you a good cook? Yes, I'm a good cook. I throws down in the kitchen. You feel me? My mama taught me well. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is purple. Well, I say it's purple, but as I got older, I noticed that I have a lot of black clothes and a lot of like neutral clothes. Like I have a lot of grays, nude colors and stuff like that. But my favorite color is purple. It's still purple. What is your favorite place in the world? My favorite place in the world probably will be my bed because I get to sleep and I love to sleep. How many times have you been to Disney? You know what? I've never been to Disney, but I planned on going to Disney. Who's your favorite Disney princess? My favorite Disney princess, okay, it's a Belle. I love Belle. That's my homie. That's my girl. And then, so I loved Belle when I was a little kid. I still love Belle. That's still like my favorite. And then I like Pocahontas, but she's not considered a princess, but she is a princess. You know, she's a princess. But then they came out with my homegirl Tiana, and let me tell you, Tiana, that's my girl. What is your favorite TV show? You know what? I don't have a favorite TV show. I don't really watch TV like that. But when I do have a favorite show, I like to binge watch the shows. And what is the current show that I've been binge watching? I don't even remember the last show I binge watched. I'll come back to that question. What is the favorite thing about YouTube? My favorite thing about YouTube is that you get to express yourself. Like, you get to just be you and do what you want to do on your own time. And, you know, I could just do these videos for you guys. I like to do makeup. I like to do a lot of other things, which I'm going to be showing on my channel. But yeah, you can find anything on YouTube. If you don't know how to do something, just YouTube it and it's there. So that's my favorite thing about YouTube. Why should you subscribe to my channel? What is my channel about? Okay, so you subscribe to my channel because I am gonna teach you how to be the best that you can be. Now, you subscribe to my channel because seriously, you know, your girl is out here trying to live a life, and you know, if you like my channel, subscribe to it. If you don't, I'm not going to force you to subscribe to it. I'm not going to beg anyone to subscribe to it. But if you like it, subscribe to it. I'm going to be dropping more makeup videos. I'm going to be dropping, you know, fashion videos, cooking videos. And you guys will also get to see more of my crazy family, because if you guys have been watching the vlogs, there's a little bit of crazy, but there's nothing compared to what my family really is like. And as I get more into YouTube and learn how to edit more and all that good stuff, you know, I can do more things. And I do have like a 9-to-5 job, so it is hard trying to edit and do everything. YouTube is hard because you gotta, these videos, editing and filming every day, it ain't no joke. That's why I'm behind on Vlogmas. Go subscribe to my vlog channel, by the way. It's a double shot of Tracy. But let me go back to the other question about my favorite TV show. I don't know my favorite TV show, y'all. I don't know. But I hope you guys like these questions. I just honestly YouTubed them and, you know, answered them. Hope you guys got to know a little bit more about me. If you guys want to know any other questions, go ahead and leave them below and I will I will answer them in the next video. And comment down below other videos you guys want to see me do. And if you guys have some challenges you would like to see me do with my family, let me know and I'll do that on the vlog channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate those who are subscribed to me. And if you guys have channels you guys want me to check out, leave them below and I will check you guys out as well. I always like to show the love back, and I appreciate the love given to me as well. And don't forget, if you guys want to see this tutorial, it will be linked right here and linked in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much. Bye guys.